All right, guys, we're in Redbud, Illinois, doing an HVAC cleaning and a sanitation. This is a repeat client. We did a dryer event last year, and now we're doing our HVAC cleaning today. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, this is why it's important to get your HVAC clean. You see just this return wall cavity, how much is built up. We'll get it back to the original state. Stay tuned. All right, guys, back to the original state. Breathe better. Hey, yo, let's go. Hey, yo, let's go. Call you today, get your ducts clean. Breathe better. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we're in the main trunk line of the return. As you can see, it's pretty typical. It's never been done. A lot of debris and dirt and contaminants. We're gonna get it back to original state. All right, guys, clean, pristine, back to original state. That bottom half is just staining, but guys, you can see the stainless steel again and back to a healthy indoor environment. AO, let's go. AOCleaning.com. Breathe better. Perfect. All right, guys, we just got done cleaning the HVAC system. We sanitized the whole system. Got Bridget taking that out to the van now. Another happy client. All right. You guys having a great day. Beautiful weather out there today. And on the next one.